Hello friends, I am Dr. Madhukar Jadhav. In previous lecture, we have seen theory of activated sludge process. In that, we have seen regarding conventional activated sludge process plant. In that, flow diagram for the ASP we have seen with the different parameters, and lastly we have seen regarding the mass balance equation for the activated sludge plant. In this lecture, we are going to study regarding variables for the design of activated sludge plant. In that, loading rate we are going to study, then sludge volume index we are going to study, and the oxygen requirement also we are going to study. So starting with loading rate or hydraulic retention time, or it is also called as aeration period. So for design of ASP, there are various variables, or we can say design parameters. So these design parameters we are going to study one by one. So first one is the loading rate. Loading rate is the rate at which wastewater is applied to the aeration tank. It is also called as hydraulic retention time, that is HRT, and is expressed as loading rate or HRT is equal to volume of the aeration tank divided by discharge rate to the aeration tank into 24 hours, where V is the volume in cubic meter, Q is the wastewater inflow to the aeration tank, and HRT is the loading rate in hours. Then next parameter is volumetric loading or organic loading. So this is nothing but kg BOD applied per unit volume of the aeration tank and is expressed as below. That is volumetric loading rate, it is in kg BOD 5 per cubic meter and is calculated by the formula Q into L0 divided by V, where Q is the discharge rate, L0 is the initial BOD, and V is the volume of aeration tank. Then next parameter is organic loading based upon food to microorganism ratio. So this F/M ratio is one of the important parameter as far as loading rate of activated sludge plant is concerned. So it is an important organic loading parameter or criteria in which BOD loading, which is represented by food to the microorganism, is expressed with regards to microbial mass capital M. Microbial mass is nothing but it is MLSS concentration in the aeration tank. This organic loading rate is defined as the ratio of kg BOD applied per day representing microbial fuel to the kg MLSS in the aeration tank, or F/M ratio is equal to Q into L0 divided by V into XT, where Q into L0 is nothing but food which is coming to the aeration tank, and V into XT is nothing but the microorganisms in the aeration tank in a particular volume. So where XT is the mixed liquor suspended solids in milligrams per liter, this FM ratio is the main factor controlling the BOD removal. Lower the FM ratio, the higher will be the BOD removal rate in the aeration tank. The FM ratio can be controlled or can be varied by varying the MLSS concentration in the aeration tank. Then next important parameter is sludge age. It is also called as solids retention time, or also known as MCRT, mean cell residence time. Another important parameter which is used for checking the design of activated sludge system is solids retention time, and it is denoted by theta c, or it is also known as sludge age. So sludge age theta c is equal to total microbial mass in the reactor divided by total quantity of solids withdrawn daily, including solids deliberately wasted and those in the effluent. So from this theta c can be calculated. Thus the mean cell residence time theta c or sludges may be defined as average time for which the mass of suspended solids remain under aeration in aeration tank. Then next one, whatever these parameters are there, the meaning of these parameters, Q is the wastewater flow rate, or we can say quantity of flow per day. XT is the microbial mass concentration, or it is also called as mixed liquor volatile suspended solids, that is MLVSS or only VSS, volatile suspended solids. Next one is V, capital V is equal to volume of the reactor or aeration tank. QW is the quantity of wasted sludge per day. XR is equal to clarifier under flow suspended solids concentration, that is concentration of solids in the return sewage or in the wasted sludge both being equal. Then Xe is equal to concentration of the solids in the effluent. Now mass of the solids or microbial mass in the reactor or aeration tank, M is equal to MLSS into volume of aeration tank is equal to XT MLSS into volume V. Also mass of the solids removed with the wasted sludge per day is equal to QW into XR. Then mass of solids removed with the effluent per day is equal to Q minus QW into Xe, and hence we can write total mass of solids removed from the system per day is equal to QW into XR plus Q minus QW into Xe, and hence the SRT or MCRT or sludge age theta c is equal to V into XT divided by QW into XR plus Q minus QW into Xe. So these are the various important parameters or loading criteria which are used for the design of activated sludge process plant. So this is sufficient in this lecture. Thank you.